Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use gradient in LibreOffice Draw. So if you want to do it, first we need to create here a simple shape. So I go to the left upper corner and I click on Shape tab. After that I select here rectangle. So I will draw here a simple rectangle, maybe something like that. And now if we want to use gradient effect, we need to click right mouse button on the object that we have already created. Then we need to go to area settings. And on default it should be on area and color settings, so we need to go to gradient settings, and here we can select one from few available gradient options. I recommend you to set it on pastel bouquet. It should be set on default. We have here preview of our effect. You can change the type of the gradient. For example, radial may be really great, but I will stay with linear. You can modify the angle if you want. Everything depends on your preferences. You can modify transition start, and of course we can modify the colors. So I will change the color maybe to red, and to color I will set to black. Now I click OK button, and how you see gradient effect has been successfully applied to our object. So in this way we can use gradients in LibreOffice Draw. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel.